Hey guys, what's up? In case if you own a Duke 390 and you are 5'11 or 6 foot ish, this is the accessory that you will need in your bike. I have a Duke 390 here, and the latest installation that I've done is this, which is the new seat. अब इसकी height जो है वो है 820 mm. The old one has the height of 800 mm. So why did I put this seat? It's because जब आप छोटी सीट जो इसकी स्टॉक सीट है उसके ऊपर अगर मैं बैठता हूँ तो मेरे लेग्स जो है वो थोड़े स्क्वीज़ हो जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से मुझे थोड़ा सा बहुत ज़्यादा देर लेग्स मेरे स्टिफ हो जाते हैं और थोड़े सा दर्द होने लगते हैं. इसकी वजह से आई हैव पुट दिस सीट, एंड आफ्टर इंस्टॉलिंग दिस सीट राइट आई फेल्ट the pain in my knees has gone, and the height has reduced significantly, so it's a very good and useful accessories. I bought this from myspareparts.com. I think they sell this seat in some of the service centers as well, the dealerships as well, but not sure. मैंने तो वहाँ से खरीदी, तो you can go and buy it. And this seat is bit stiffer, so अगर if you're doing a long ride then you might need that gel additional seat on top of that. लेकिन मेरे लिए तो अच्छी है, और ऊपर से the same color. So yeah, this is the accessories that you can go for, in case if you're wondering how it looks like when I sit on it. This has increased now, so यहाँ पे जो है यहाँ पे पेन अब मेरे कम होता है, which is due to the increased height.